Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing minimal gear so you actually take notes in combat. Create a compact template with header, core abilities, and a quick timestamp field. This reduces decision overhead. Once done, assign one hotkey to open your note slot and use a clipboard manager for multi-copy. You do this because speed beats perfection. Capturing raw facts first preserves them for later refinement. Make sure to keep the template under 4 lines so it fits fast and stays readable in hectic moments. You continue by adopting a strict shorthand and priority order to avoid slow typing. Abbreviate long skill names to 2-3 letters, and note only damage, cooldown, and status effects first because those change decisions mid-run. Once a fight calms, add brief context like build or enemy type, otherwise keep it to 1 line. Make sure to tag each entry with fight, loot, or build so you can batch process notes later. This step speeds review and turns scattered captures into useful data quickly. You finish by converting fragments into usable entries soon after play to retain context. Within 24 hours, expand abbreviations, add conclusions about what worked, and slot items into your build list so insights aren't forgotten. Once done, sync the file to cloud or a local backup to prevent loss. If something goes wrong and notes vanish, immediately check clipboard history and autosave files. If still missing, restore from the most recent backup. This ensures a reliable loop from capture to usable knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.